Good day everyone, welcome everyone to the channel. In this video we're talking how to buy XRP on Fidelity. So firstly guys, very important information, Fidelity does not currently support direct cryptocurrency purchases, including XRP, on its platform. However, you can still invest in XRP indirectly or manage crypto exposure through other methods. So firstly guys, while Fidelity doesn't offer direct XRP purchases, you can invest in crypto related assets. So log in into the account on the Fidelity, of course. In the search bar, type keywords like grayscale, digital, large cap fund. Includes a mix of major cryptos. Pro shares, Bitcoin strategy for Bitcoin exposure. For XRP funds, you'll need to check crypto-related indexes, as XRP-specific ETFs are less common. Review the fund's performance, fees, and holdings. Click Buy, enter the desired investment amounts, and confirm your purchase. Now the method number 2, you can buy XRP through a crypto exchange and transfer it. So create an account on a supported exchange, for example, Crypto.com, Kraken, BitGet, whatever. These support XRP purchases. After that, of course, pass the KYC, use your Fidelity cash management account or linked bank account to fund your crypto exchange wallets. Search for XRP in the changes trading section, enter the amount you wish to buy. And in terms of the key tips, Fidelity may expand its crypto offerings in the future, so keep an eye on the platform updates. And that's basically the workarounds on how to buy the XRP here. Hopefully this was helpful and insightful. Guys, enjoy, like our video and subscribe. See you in the next video.